Come closer. I have a secret. Closer. You can make a lot of money as a creator, and in this video, I'll show you how.
What? Nobody told me.
Here's what I mean. The world is rapidly evolving, and as humans, we're evolving with it. Today, you don't have to be a doctor or an engineer to earn well and make a good living. You can use your knowledge and your skills and your experience to make money as a creator. And in this video, we're going to share some practical ways to do this. So let's get right into it. Number 1, write an ebook. Books are wonderful resources for acquiring knowledge, and ebooks are even better because you don't have to worry about the publishing costs. You can just use platforms like Seller. So write an ebook and share something that you know with the world. 2, teach online with a course. With online courses, you can share what you know with people with ease. Online courses are also an excellent way of earning passive income. You might think that people just want to learn things and can simply use Google, but people also want your charisma, they want your personality, and they want someone that will be there to answer their questions. And this is where online courses come in handy. Here at Seller, we have an online course feature that allows you to also have a discussion forum if you want to, and allows you to simply sell your courses with ease. So use Seller and get that feature today. 3, run a subscription service. The same way you have a Netflix subscription that every month you pay money to gain access to movies and films and other things that you like to enjoy, is the same way as a creator. You can also have a subscription service that people pay a fee to for a stipulated amount of time, that they can gain exclusive content and information and wisdom from you. With subscriptions, you can sell anything from newsletters to even comics to memberships. Anything that you want to sell can be sold with a subscription plan. So get one today. 4, build a community on social media. A community is a group of like-minded people that gather together or connect together on a particular platform. And as a creator, you can have a community that you share valuable advice, tricks, and tips that belong to your trade. So you can have a community of maybe copywriters, if that's what you do, or content writers, or people who are just going through a particular journey. Building a community can be a great way to gain engagement, gain loyalty from a group of people, and sell digital products to them as well. So this is another valuable way to earn as a creator. Number 5, use social media to your advantage. As the world inches closer to the era of digitalization, more people come on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, and as a creator, you are meant to be at the forefront of using these platforms to your advantage. So post content, share the things that you do, share what you create on social media, and this way you'll be able to build an audience and you'll be able to find people who will be willing to pay money for your services, whether as an influencer, as a consultant, as someone who gives them advice, or as someone who sells products to them. So take advantage of social media today, because you never can tell who you're going to connect with online that's going to help your brand become the next best thing. Number 6, be consistent. You know that old saying that says Rome was not built in a day? Well, it applies here as well. As a creator, you have to realize that good things take time. You have to show up every day in whatever platform you're showing up in whatever way you're showing up in honing your skills, in connecting with people, in sharing your valuable content with the world before it starts to yield results. As you move on in your journey as a creator, remember to tweak things and strategize where the need arises, but keep on showing up on a day-to-day basis. I know it's hard, but trust me when I say that consistency gets rewarded. As you grow more consistent with your content, digital products, with building an audience, whatever it is that it may be, also try to improve your skills, and one day it will pay off for you. So this is all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you learned some things from it. My name is Treasure. See you again next time. Bye. I know it's hard.